Hey guys, Michael Merula here. So last time I asked you to write me ideas about character designs. Let me tell you, your ideas are amazing and I had a lot of fun. So I did few colored sketches based on your ideas and without any hesitation, let's talk about it. So I read your messages and I had already good image what to do. I did take few days just to think about it. Usually I am doing full sketches with pencil on paper, but because I don't have any equipment to record that process, I have started working right on my graphic tablet. So first of all, I did base poses for every character. I like to pitch sketches with basic muscles. The goal of sketches is to flesh out a general idea what you want to do. It's not about perfect anatomy, perspective or details that we can say for complete illustrations. After base poses, I gathered some references from Pinterest. Remember, no references, no learning. It is also opportunity to learn something new. I will show comments from you guys. Sorry if I will butcher your names. I have started with design from Ire. Equipment of his warrior reminds me Almogovar, Spanish warrior from Aragon Kingdom, with Ketra, which is small round shield. As far I know, Greek historian Polybius described two types of Iberian warriors. One was called Scutari and second Ketri. These warriors were named after their shields. I'm sure you know Roman scutum, which is Latin word for shield. Appearance of this warrior is caveman. Last year I was in our local prehistory museum with painting by one of my favorite Czech artists, Zdeněk Buriar. So I used one photo I took there as references. For next picture I did frogman riding on frog. Idea came from my friend Damien, who is always trolling me with frogs and other froggish ideas, and so I found out I still can't draw frogs. So I moved to George design with dwarf, but as ancient Greek hoplite. That was very interesting because we imagine dwarfs as small Vikings. And because I did millions drawing of hoplite warriors, it goes with notorious Corinthian helmet and mixed linothorax and breastplate with metal scales. I gave him spear and hoplon shield to amplify his Greek look instead of classic dwarf axe and hammer. Looking on it, now I could give him horn on helmet and some runes as ornaments. That's the problem with character designs. You can go crazy and make really fantasy character or keeping it grounded. This is I am still trying to balance. Also, it was first time I did draw dwarf, so I need to check out dwarf anatomy. Basically, dwarfs are professional bodybuilders with short legs. Just side note, do you think tall midgets laughing to small midgets because they are smaller? Also, do you know why dwarfs laugh in the tall grass? Because the leaves tickle them between their legs. Okay, enough flow jokes. Another design is from Casey, and this is really close to my heart. I was always big fan of mythology and fight of mankind versus big creatures. So imagine this young warrior as crab hunter, but in this world crabs or crawfish are huge, and every warrior who hunts these creatures makes weapons and armor from their hard shells. By the way, I am planning to do a few more episodes for world building of Unknown World, and one of the episodes will be about monsters and how early Atlanteans fought against sea monsters. And yes, one of my illustrations shows fight of Atlanteans with giant crab. Next design for Dunedain Ranger comes from Gerard. They are mysterious men living in wilderness, hunting all evil known from Tolkien, Middle-earth and Lord of the Rings. Dunedains came from Kingdom of Arnor long after the war with Ingmar. Arnor was desolated until return of the king Aragorn, who once again restored fallen northern kingdom. As I promised Gerard, I have good news. As part of my mini Tolkien project, I am going to do one illustration of Dunedain Ranger. By the way, I went for a walk in the forest to take pictures of some interesting places for background of this illustration, and I found twisted fallen trees. I thought it was very fantastic, so stay tuned for that. For last picture I have returned for Frogman, or Froblin as I call him in my unknown world. Froblins are basically half frogs and half goblins. And I was like, wouldn't it be cool if Goblin rode on Big Frog? Maybe it was just inspiration by Goblin Wolf Riders from Total War Warhammer, which I played now, and I am having a blast. So you could notice I got rid of references very early because it distracted me, and I always think what to do for several days or even months, but during drawing or coloring phase I let my hand to flow and not thinking. Just enjoy moment spending with creating and let yourself surprise what come to naturally. For coloring I try to limit myself with few basic colors. I could spend much more time on this, but that would lose meaning of sketches. I have already worked on this for almost 3 hours. That's last thing I want to advise you, try to limit your options, not just in art but in life. With too many options comes chaos and frustration. So that's all I am able to say in English. If I could talk in my native language, it will be much longer. Enjoy rest of the video and let me know how do you like these sketches. Like I said, I had a lot of fun doing this, and if this will be popular, we can do another round of your character designs. We need at last 6 ideas. Just bear in mind I am super busy with all my work and personal duties, not to mention I am still struggling with my health. Final picture will be on my Patreon, and big thanks goes to Gerard and Kim for their support there, and also thanks to you guys for all you are doing for me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, you know the drill. I love you all and see you next time.